What's up guys, it's Cool Story Bro Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak a PSP in 2018. So this will work with any PSP, from the old ones, from the slim ones, and even the PSP Go. Unfortunately, if you have a Vita and you're watching this video, it will not work. It's a totally different method. For everyone who's got a PSP, from the old ones, slim ones, PSP Go, this is what you will need. You will first need your PSP, a USB, a computer such as a laptop computer or any iMac or MacBook. It works exactly the same. And then you want to have your PSP fully charged so you know you're in the safe zone. What you do is actually go onto your USB connection on your PSP and then hook it up to your computer. Should take a minute. Okay, it's not doing it. It's a really old USB, so I'm just gonna actually, put it in there. There we are. So this is my PSP. This is the official PSP. So this PSP I'm using is not actually been jailbroken, so that's why I wanted to do this video. So what you want to do is go onto your PSP, go into your games folder, and then I'm going to leave you the link in the description of how to get this folder. And then the programs inside the game folder is you basically want to drag it into your official game folder on your PSP. So here we are. Make sure they're fully copied. And then what we're going to actually do right now, we're actually going to go to the PSP screen and then actually jailbreak this PSP. Here we are on the PSP itself. So what you want to do is you want to go to your system settings and look at your firmware. So I'm just going to go on the firmware, as you can probably can't see, but it's a 6.60. And then you want to go to your game at the bottom, memory stick, and this is the program actually loaded them up, which is pretty cool. So you don't really want to be deleting this because it's a fast recovery, just in case anything happens. It recovers it really fast, which is awesome. So this is the update itself. What you want to do is you want to tap on it. It should load up like a normal update software. Probably a couple of seconds to actually load up. So we're actually loading up already, and you get like a black screen and you get some violin. So you want to follow instructions of how to actually install it. So I'm going to try my best to actually read this. I think it's X because I haven't done this for a long time. So it brings up all this to programs, and then it says X. You want to press X again, and then you should get a black screen like this, and then a boot up like this. So when we go into system settings, it should be a totally different number. So I'm just going to go see if it's done it. System settings, system. As you can see, it says 6.60 Pro C2, and that is the official jailbreak of how to jailbreak your PSP. So then all you have to do now is basically download the games onto the PSP, and then you're good to go. It's officially jailbroken. So if you are watching this video, you've actually officially jailbroken your PSP. Thanks for watching. If you know anyone that's got a PSP that would like to do this, it's pretty simple to do, and just share this video with them. I say thanks for watching.